Hey guys, welcome back to our channel.
Welcome back to our channel, guys. We are at the zoo and we're going to be showing you guys the tropical rainforest.
Yeah, so you can see how the rainforest is like in the wild.
Okay. Go stand by the tiger so I could take you a picture. Go, hurry, stand right there. Stand right there by the tiger. Say cheese.
Oh yeah,
He's standing next to Dada.
Okay, this is ready, pues.
Good job, Malcolm. So handsome. Little boy. Okay. You want to do it with the otters? And see, go stand right there with the otters. Aww. You leave the kids in the sun. Voltealo nomás. All right, all done. Can you hold my hand? Ooh, bless you.
You're hungry?
Come on, we're gonna come back in a little bit. We're gonna come back. We're gonna go see the tropical. What's that? What's that, Malcolm? What is it? Whoa! It's a ship.
It's a pirate ship.
What is that? What's inside of the pirate ship?
A squid.
A squid. Ah, go stand right there so I can take your picture. Oh, that inside. Sit down. No, no, put it back. Is it real?
Mushroom.
It is real. Come on.
Mushroom.
It's not a mushroom, it's a pumpkin.
Let's go look at the scarecrows. Right now it's October, so they have this little, well, big Halloween theme going on. Pretty cool. Look at the family of scarecrows. And they also have a place where you could come and take pictures. What was that?
They're decorating for Halloween.
Oh, okay. Awesome. That's so cool. Go sit down, Malcolm.
Sit down, Malcolm, right here.
Is there one picture? It's a cool little place to hang out. Just sit, relax in the hay. You got a pumpkin, Malcolm? Aren't you supposed to leave that pumpkin behind? Look at the squirrel monkeys. This is the giant flowers. They have giant butterflies. Oh, wait, look, giraffes. They've been getting busy here at the zoo, decorating. Looks very, very nice. Let's go check out those giraffes. Come on, you stop getting those. Just-
Here, Michael. Those are the zoo pumpkins.
Can't take them.
see? You got big fish. Oh, those are some cool pumpkins.
Mm.
That looks like me. Look at that big fish. Oh, it's a lizard. A giraffe? Oh, look at the giraffe.
Giraffe.
You see the giraffes? Oh, look at the lions. It's a masterpiece. Yes, Mufasa. And Simba.
Yeah, Eddie bought a pretzel with cheese.
Salt and cheese.
So he's gonna try it so they know if it's good or not.
It looks like the bomb.
Is it good?
It's just like a pretzel with cheese.
It's normal.
But it's very, very good with cheese.
It's
Oh, yeah,
good with
so-
cheese.
It's another day at the zoo. Hope you guys enjoyed, and we'll bring you guys along for another episode.
You want some cheese? This time we got a cup, you guys. It's the Savannah. There's a lion.
We always do.
We got a new stroller. It's super basic and practical, but it gets the job done. And it's lightweight, you guys. It's really nice. I like it. There's a little bit of storage in the back, and it does have a cup holder. And it has your shades as individual ones. So he has his own, and then if she wants hers, she could have it, or
Okay.
she could put it up. Oh, and this is the brand, look. It's Dream on Me. They like it.
Come on, you want pretzel? Come here.
Stingray?
We're gonna go to the tropical rainforest.
Go get some pretzel.
Hey.
Hey,
Oh, oh.
let's go see the alligator. Come on. Come on, let's go see the alligator.
Boy. chipmunk.
Open the door. It's in here. Oh, look at the birds. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel.
Welcome back, you guys.
Today we came to the Fresno Chaffee Zoo again, another episode. But today we came into the rainforest so you guys can see how it's like to be in a jungle or a rainforest.
So when you guys come in, you come in through the doors right here, and you can either go that way up the stairs, or you could come this way. You could come this way through the path. Since I have the stroller, I'll probably go this way, and Eddie could take you guys up the stairs. Hey,
Come on, let's go get the water. Come on, over here. Alright, we're climbing the stairs, or the steps, to get to the bridge where the waterfall is. And there's a bird right there. And it's a cool bird. Oh, the waterfall. Touch it, touch it. Right here, come on. Touch it, touch it, touch it, touch it. Come on, this way. Come on, Malcolm. It's a heat lamp. And you keep on going up, and then you get to the viewpoint where everything looks better. I feel like Tarzan. Like this is a Tarzan's pad. Reunited makes you feel so good. You see? Sí. Por acá, gente.
Come on, let's go over the bridge.
Come on, let's go to the bridge.
Oh, look it. Spoon deal. That's what it is.
See? Come on. Jump. The ducks. Look at the ducks, Malcolm.
It's ducky.
The ducks.
Goes quack, quack, quack. I can see that.
Come on.
Quack.
The ducks.
Thank you, Mom. Thank you.
Déjalo que corra.
You want to sit down?
Go sit down.
Sit over here.
Come on, Dex.
Look, they're right here.
American alligator. You see right there his tail, feet, and his head right over there.
Alligator.
Where you going, buddy? Ya uno. Mira la panza. Let me see. Come on, Dex. This way.
Ay, don't bite me. No. Hopefully you guys enjoy the rainforest. It's not really big, but it's pretty big. There's a couple different paths that you guys could walk through. So if you guys have a stroller, or if you guys are just walking, you guys could go up the stairs and touch the waterfall.
Dex.
No. Come on. Jax puts everything in his mouth. Everything. And I'm so happy we got our stroller. because now we can concentrate on one kid and have the other two on the stroller. So it frees up our arms and we get to concentrate on one kid at a time. I don't know if they showed you guys, but this is the entrance to the tropical rainforest. And they're decorating the zoo right now. I don't know if it's gonna be like the zoo lights or something of that sort.